Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry, this morning I might not have the best energy around, and my voice might be a little bit jacked up. Woke up with a sore throat today, and not feeling all that hot. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you guys very much for tuning in and hitting that like button. Helps out tremendously. Looking forward to having a good week here today. Starting off the week strong, despite the little bit of a cold I have. Sore throats are the worst. Sorry, guys. Sore throats are definitely the worst. Give me 1 second here, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm a little bit behind on things today. Woke up a little bit later since not feeling all that hot. I want to make sure you guys hear me okay. Everybody hear me all right? You guys hear me okay? Okay, cool beans. Okay, cool. All right, so let's start jumping into these charts here, and see what's going on. The market big move to the upside today, which is wild. Didn't expect that kind of move, right out of the gates like that. It's just insane. But we'll go ahead and start taking a look at some of these charts and scans. Guys, remember today, trade ideas. We're going to take a look at some of the trade ideas gap scans here, see what's going on out there, what stock might be hot. Trade ideas today is the last day for 25% off on trade ideas. Last day. So if you want to take advantage of that, go ahead and jump on that, because I don't think they're going to do that again. They usually don't do it until like November, December. Awesome. What's going on, guys? Good morning, Adam, the Beast, Dwayne, Kevin. Nice to see you guys on here. Very nice to see you guys on here. Today the SPY is absolutely insane. Look at the move back. Look at the move on the SPY. Here's your candle so far in pre-market. This is the daily. Look at the bounce back. Like, I thought maybe we'd get a little shot, at a little bit of a test of the 473s, 50s, but no. Great Dane, good morning. All right, so let me check here. I'm going to start off with my trade idea scans, AFI on those. Used to get over 299. I think we went over this one yesterday in the live stream. Pretty sure we went over this one yesterday in the live stream. Used to get over that 299. Guys, usually, I do a full hour of a live stream. I don't know if I'm going to make it through the full hour today on the live stream. So my throat is on fire. And I still got to go, and be live in the Discord. So AFI. I had news on Friday. So this is probably a continuation move. And it's such a big move It's such a big move at this point that I don't know, whether or not this is going to be sustainable unless it can break over 3 and hold that level. If it can break over 3 and hold that level, then maybe. Then maybe. So, you know what? I'll jot it down. I'll put it down. What is it? AFI? IMMX Beast? We'll go ahead and we'll check into that one in a minute. So if it can get over 3 and hold, it'll have room to 340 to 350 all the way to 4. Alright, so we got that one down. Hey guys, remember, do me a quick solid. Hit that like button. We got 16 people watching, only 7 likes. Really helps out tremendously with the YouTube's algorithm. IMMX. Let's check in on that one. Okay, so that one has news 3 hours ago. It has U.S. Food and Drug Administration approves IMX Biopharma rare pediatric disease designation for IMX 110. Oh, this is way too much. This is way too much. When you have a sore throat, some lemon and honey. But, oh God, there's way too much lemon. Way too much lemon. Oh, that's way too much of that liquid. Oh my God. Okay. Threatening pediatric cancer in children. Okay, so it's got some good news, this IMMX. Let's go take a look at the chart. Straight up. Oh wow, look at them. Look at the daily. Look at the daily chart. If it can hold 5, I mean, that's really good. But it's such a monster gap up as well. That's a monster gap up. I don't know. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to have to come back and revisit it. So IMMX. FDA approves rare pediatric disease designation as treatment for life-threatening pediatric cancer in children. Watching for the, I would say the $5 area, honestly, because we're all the way up there. If all of a sudden we start to sell it off a little bit, get back down here to 450, then maybe at that point I'll say I'll watch this 380s, $4 zone for support. But for now, we'll leave it at that. We'll check back into it later. Watching for the $5 area to hold support on pullbacks. Could have room towards over 6. All right. So we got IMMX. We have AFI. Trade idea scanners also has wave. Volume is lighter on that one. 500,000 shares. Oh, need more honey. Guys, what about Tesla? Look at this gap up on Tesla along with the overall market. That one's on our weekly watch list. And we were talking about a move back. You know, we were talking about a move to watch this week to see if it held this 50-day for a move back to 1119. Look at the gap up on this thing. Right back up over 1119. Today's going to be wild. I have a feeling today's going to be just wild, wild, wild. Yep. So on Tesla, we're watching for that level there to hold support. So they blew out their Q4 delivery numbers. They did amazing. They have a lot of good press releases coming out here talking about their Q4 delivery numbers and their overall year number. They delivered over 900,000 cars last year. Tesla deliveries crush expectations. The stock is moving higher. So Tesla is definitely going to be my main watcher today. I would imagine I should be able to catch a trade on that one today. We'll see. Tesla crushes Q4 delivery numbers. Watching for the 1120 area to hold support on pullbacks. Could have room towards 1170s. What's up, Umberto? Good morning, man. Good morning, Ricardo. Yeah, the beast. No, I won't be live in the Discord until about 9:20. I'll be live in the Discord around 9:20, Umberto. Here you go, guys. You can come join us today's free chat Monday. Typically every day I stream on the Discord all day long. Today's screens will be up all day long as usual. Depending how I feel, I might have to cut out after lunch and not be back in the afternoon. Coming down with some sort of cold or something and not feeling the greatest today. All right. But free chat Monday, so come on over, check it out. Come hang out with us today. One second. Just saying hi to some new members here at the Discord. All right. So we got, man, it's only 8:20 and we already got 3 stocks on the watch list. I always love it whenever I see Tesla hit my trade idea scans here on the gappers in the morning. Just makes me happy to see Tesla gapping. So CELZ. Let's go take a look at that thing. All right. So CELZ. No recent news, guys. No recent news on this one that I see. Those of you who are freshly tuning in this morning, welcome to the stream. A little bit low energy today and voice very, very low. Woke up with a nasty sore throat, so just giving you the disclaimer. I'm usually much more energetic and smiling and cracking jokes. CELZ. I don't see any recent news on this one. Volume is good in pre-market. We're getting a big move here. Maybe there's some news somewhere else. I just don't see any right now, but I'm definitely going to put it on the watch list here, at least on the back burner list. CELZ watching for the $3 area to hold support. Pre-market highs are in the 430s. All right, so we have AFI, IMMX, Tesla, CELZ. All right, on the back burner list, the others are on the main watch list. We already did AFI. This BLCT is just selling off here, so it's not really something I would look into too much. But we'll see if it has any recent news. Let me check and see if there's any recent news on this one. BLCT. Whoops. Okay, so BLCT has news as of an hour ago. Announces receipt of preliminary non-binding proposal to acquire the company. Yeah, and that's something I'm going to pay attention to. I don't really see a whole lot else. Don't really see a whole lot else. You guys have any tickers you want me to take a peek at? It's around 8:30. We usually get another wave of press releases, so maybe around then we'll get some more movers. But if I'm going to take a look at any tickers, now's a great time. Oh, guys, we extended the special on the DTC Pro plan. We extended it. Here it is. DTC Pro plan. You sign up for the DTC Pro and you get 1 full year of TC2000 scanners for free. Yeah, there's really nothing hitting. Oh, look, we talked about that $5 area, guys. Look at the nice little bounce off of $5 on IMMX. All right, guys, let's see if there's anything else that hits the scans here. In the meanwhile, let me show you really quickly a quick little lesson here. Here you have, this is Tesla, but forget about the price point, forget about the name on the stock, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you here what I look for afternoon setups. For afternoon setups, what I typically look for is a stock that made a nice move up in the morning And then throughout lunch, all it did was consolidate above a key support level. Right? What I want to see is, I want to see nice strong volume in the morning. You see it right here. Followed by that consolidation throughout lunchtime, 12 to 2 more or less, decreasing volume, and you got that here. Then coming out of lunch around 2 o'clock, you want to start to see that stock now start to get a pop off that support level and an increase in volume. And that's exactly what a nice afternoon setup would look like. This is on the 15-minute chart. So just wanted to give you a quick little lesson on that. Just, I mean, this would go much more in depth, but more or less along the lines of that's what I would look for. Stock that's strong in the morning, pulls back, consolidates throughout lunch just straight sideways, and then in the afternoon coming out of lunch, wakes up and is like, hey, I'm ready to rock and roll for round 2. Guys, do me a quick solid. We got 29 people watching and only got 10 likes. Hit that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously. Let's go look at the SPY. So the SPY, I was watching for a pullback into 473.50, 474. Today, you know, see if we get that continuation pullback. See if we got that bounce for that confirmation for some calls. But sucker just massive gap up. Decided to give us a massive gap up. I mean, look at this thing. We closed off down here under 475, and now here we are 477.40s. At this point, I mean, you could look and see if 477.16, you know, 477, if 477 holds support, then maybe. But right now we're right back up there in front of the high, in front of the all-time high zone. So I'm not going to touch the SPY today. I'd imagine I'd be more inclined to trade Tesla, but I will keep a close eye on the SPY. I mean, if you hold 477, you could have an attempt up there. Let's go take a quick look at Roblox. Roblox has a tough area here in that 108. In that 108 area. I like this 104, and I'll tell you why. This 104, look at this. Support, support, support. Whoa, where did my arrows go? Support, resistance. But it's also that level now lines up with the 50-day moving average, which is right underneath that 104 area. So that little area there could now maybe become a really nice area of support that could allow the stock to rest and find its way back up to 108. So definitely keep that on watch. I'm going to throw it on here as the back burner. Roblox watching for the 104 area to hold support. Could have room towards 108. 109 really. That 109 area. So I'll be watching that on Roblox as well. Could be a little swing trade on that one, to be honest. So we have AFI, IMMX, Tesla. That's the main watch list. AFI, IMMX, Tesla, main watch list so far. Back burner, CELZ, and Roblox. We got 5 stocks already on watch. We got ourselves 5 stocks on watch, and it's only 8:30 a.m. It's going to be an interesting morning here today. We already got that one on watch for IMMX. We'll see if we can get some more cooking. All right. Well, it's 8:30, guys. I usually run this until 9 o'clock. Feeling a little bit under the weather today, so I might cut it off around 8:45, so another 15 minutes. Then I'll be over on the Discord around 9:20 a.m. And today's free chat Monday, so you can definitely sign up and come on over for free chat Monday and hang out with us in the live stream, okay, over on the Discord. So free chat Monday, there's a link there. There's a link down there for you to sign up. You can come join us, free chat Monday. So I'm gonna wait about 15 more minutes. If you guys have any tickers you want me to take a look at, go ahead and throw it up there in chat for me, and I'll go ahead and look it up for you. I know some of the ones that you guys have been looking at recently. Last week you asked me about was Lucid. The thing with Lucid, yo, MMC Ape, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on here. The thing with Lucid now is that you're underneath that 50-day moving average, so I feel like that area might be a very tough area of resistance for it to get through. Rivian, watch for that 107 zone. You can see it right here. Previous level of support, now turned resistance. Right there. See if it breaks and holds that. If not, maybe it'll tap it, come back down to 100. There was another one that I was looking at. Trying to remember. It wasn't Facebook. It definitely wasn't Facebook. Facebook showing some relative weakness here comparable to that of the SPY today, guys. Surprised. Because look, Facebook sitting there at the 200-day moving average, no real big move on it. Roblox, no real big move on it either, but at least it's trending higher. I forgot which one the other one I might have been looking at. Sorry guys, a little foggy today. Yeah, I can't remember it. I'll probably decrease my size a little bit today when I trade, since I'm sick. Last thing I want to do is getting myself into a trade and be a little foggy-brained. Foggy-minded? What's the proper terminology here? Come on, I know one of you has to be an English major. Help me out. So yeah, it's looking like that might wrap up the watch list, to be honest, for today. I feel like there was another ticker. Oh, I remember it. NIO. NIO. Look at that. Glad I came on here to watch it. NIO. We're gonna be watching for that $33 zone to break and hold. NIO watching for $33 area to break and hold as support. Could have room towards 35.50s. There you go. Let's see if by any chance there's, who knows, maybe there's some news on this thing. Yeah, there is news. NIO announces repurchase rights notification for 4.5% convertible senior notes due in 2024. So announces repurchase rights notification for 4.5% convertible senior notes due in 2024. There we go. Okay, so there we go. We got that. Now we got AFI, IMMX, Tesla, NIO on watch this morning. As the main watchers, and then CLEZ, Roblox as backburners. All right, guys. I'm going to cut it here for today. I'll be back tomorrow again at 8. All right. So any questions, just hop on over to the Discord and let us know. Unless you have any last minute questions, I'm going to be hopping off here. All right. Like I said, normally I stream 8 to 9 every day. But I want to rest up my voice some for the chat this morning since my throat is on fire. I want to make sure I rest up my voice a little bit leading into the day. Otherwise tomorrow I won't even be able to stream, and I want to make sure that I can do that. I want to make sure to be able to do everything I'm supposed to do. Everything I have to do. If I gotta take a day off, I will. But for now, I'm gonna just try to conserve. I'm gonna try to conserve the voice. All right, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. We're going to cut the stream about 20 minutes early today. Sorry about that. But tomorrow we'll be back again at 8 o'clock. The reason I'm doing it is so that I can be back here tomorrow at 8, okay? Thank you guys very much for watching. Come on over. Remember, like I said, today is Free Chat Monday. So swing on by and join us. Free Chat Monday. You can't pass up Free Chat Monday, all right? Swing on by. Hang out with us. Look at what we do. Watch how we trade. Watch me trade. All right. And then, just get a feel for the room. So it's a no-lose situation. Just click the link and come on, join us. All right. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope to catch you later on.